Hello and welcome again to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are always doing well, and today's recipe is seasoned fava beans. Now is the perfect time for it as it is widely available, and we will need 1 kilogram of fava beans. I have cleaned and washed them well and removed the top part that forms on them. That part on the surface and the head of the beans has been removed. For the spices, I have 1 small spoon of cumin and salt according to taste. I also have 1 small spoon of dried coriander and a 1/4 spoon of turmeric, as well as 1 small spoon of red pepper or paprika and 1 small spoon of garlic. These are the spices. I will put them together in a jar. I have about 1 small spoon of harissa, which is not very spicy. If it is spicy, use only a little, and it is better to avoid it if you have children. But it gives a very good flavor, and I will add a glass of water. This is what I will add to the fava beans. Now I will mix everything. I will mix the fava beans like this. I will add half a glass of traditional oil, because fava beans need oil. I also have 2 pieces of preserved lemon that I will add. I will close the pressure cooker, and once it whistles, I count 10 minutes, then turn off the heat. The fava beans are cooked. As you can see now, I will add 2 spoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. I will add only coriander without parsley. Add a good amount of coriander, as it pairs well with dried coriander. Now I will mix it and leave it uncovered for 1 to 2 minutes. Then it will be ready to serve. After 2 minutes, mix it again this way and turn off the heat. Now we move to the final result. This is the final look of the fava bean dish. The seasoned fava beans look delicious and very appealing, so give it a try. I hope today's recipe satisfies you, and do not forget to like and subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive new recipes. Enjoy it with comfort and good appetite.